I just filmed 5 videos today, I don't even know. But I'm filming another one because that's how we do it here. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Shein and Romwe. They sent me this stuff, but not forcing me to say anything. I'm really happy with everything that they sent me, and you guys will see that in a few seconds. So let's hop right into it. Okay, to be honest, I kind of suck and I get the stores mixed up, so I'll have the links of all the clothes down below, but it's from Shein and Romwe, and I have no clue which is from which, but yeah. So let's start off with some shirts. So I got 3 shirts. This one is like a Brandy dupe. It has the little rainbow, except this one, I don't know if you can tell, it's like, it's not printed on, it's like a ribbon sewn on, but it feels like better quality to me, so I'm down for it. I think this is really cute. It's really soft. This one, some of their shirts feel kind of weird, but this one feels like really good quality, and it's really soft. So I'm really happy with this. Probably gonna style this with some mom jeans and a belt. So excited for when it's warm enough to wear short sleeves, you know, just waiting for that day. Then I got this top. This is another graphic tee. Got this in a size large because I wanted it to be oversized so that I could tuck it in with some mom jeans also. This is the little painting of that wave thing, that Japanese painting. I don't know what it's called, but I think it looks really nice. So yeah, I could wear this right now and it would look so good. This is also really soft, pretty good material. You know, I'm really happy. I'm so excited to wear this. So excited. And I'm pretty sure they sell this like the same one at PacSun, so life hack. Then the last like shirt I got is this. I don't really know if this is like a copy of something. I feel like it is because I know I've seen the like flags on the sleeve style thing before, but yeah. I have no clue how I'm gonna wear this, but yeah, it's like in between a sweater and a like shirt. Like it's kind of like a thick shirt, and then it's cropped. Then it has, you know, the little stuff on it, but it doesn't feel cheap or anything. I don't know. I'm just really happy with this. Really, really happy. Thanks. Good job. And then I got, ooh, wait, I got one more thing. I got a shirt. This is what this looks like. It's like a Brandy dupe-y thing. It just has the ruffle and the ruffles and the ruffles, and I just really like it. And I like this color too. It's like a dark nude color, so yeah, almost brown. And yeah, this is really good quality. Can't wait to style this. It's so cute. Amazing. And then I also got this necklace. This one's from Shein. This looks really cheap. I wouldn't recommend this. Some of their jewelry is nice, but some of it's hit and miss. Like this one, I'm sure it would look okay on in pictures, but it just looks kind of cheap in real life. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. Then I got 2 dresses because I have no clue. I kind of just buy random stuff because I'm like, out of nowhere, I'm like, I want a dress. Like, I'm literally going nowhere, but I got 2 dresses. So first off, I got this one. This is really fancy and cute. No clue where I'm ever gonna wear this. But yeah, it's like, what's this called? Satin? I don't know, silk? I don't know, faux silk? I don't know. But it's like a deep V, so it's kind of formal, fancy, you know what I'm saying? And then it has the cool like flowering detail. It just looks really fancy. And it's high-low. This is so cute. Honestly, someone invite me to a party so I can wear this, please. I got this in a size small, I think. Extra small, but it looks really big. So, but maybe it's just because I don't have boobs. We'll see. Then I got this dress. I got this one in a size small, and this looks really big, but yeah. It's like scalloped on the top, and then it has like no back, if you can tell. It's like a V. Scandalous. But yeah, it's just like a plain black dress, and I figured, you know, like I'm gonna need a plain black dress sometime, right? So yeah, I got this one. I'm really excited. Hope this fits. Gladly, they both have adjustable straps. So if they're like big, I can just pull the straps up and then, you know, life hacks, guys. Then I got 2 pairs of pants. Ow! First off, I got these because I thought they were kind of like a dupe for these Brandy ones, but then I ended up buying the Brandy ones anyway, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep these. But this is what they look like. They're just like stripes. They're navy. They're really soft. so they're probably really comfy. I haven't tried them on yet, so I guess we'll decide when I try on. They're like a little on the dressy side, so if I was feeling a little dressy, could wear these. And I got these are really dressy. These are really thin and I feel like they're gonna be really uncomfortable, but they're also really cute. So you can't really tell when I hold them up, but they have the pockets and then it comes with a ribbon because you're supposed to like tie it around the waist either. So hopefully they look cute because I need some more stylish pants because all I wear is leggings and like jeans on a good day. And I kind of just want to mix it up, you know. And then the last things, I got 3 jackets because, you know, as I say in every video, I'm always cold. And yeah, so I got jackets. So the first one is this. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see. I have this in like a terracotta shade and I wore it in a little photo shoot. Really cute and I loved it so much that I got it in black also. And I know I'm gonna wear this a lot because yeah, it's like a basic almost. It's really warm, which is so good because as I said, I'm always cold, but then it's also like a fashionable warm, if you know what I'm saying. Like I need that, you know. Then the next one, I got this. I was kind of scared to get this, to be honest. It kind of just reminded me of Drake, but yeah. It's like this super fat, puffy, red, like puffer coat, if you can tell. It looks so warm. I'm so excited to wear this. I don't really think red is my color. I think it kind of makes me look like a fob Chinese gal. But, you know, something about this really called to me. It's really good quality. So I really recommend this. Yeah, I don't know. I have no clue how I'm going to style it, but I'm really excited to wear it because I know I'll be warm. So this is the last thing and I'm so excited for this. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a million times, but it's like one of those faux fur coats and this looks so warm. It's like it reminds me of a teddy bear, but like everyone has this and there's like versions from like Forever and there's versions from Urban Outfitters for like $100, but I'm not paying $100. So I got this one. It was really affordable. Really, really excited to wear this. It has fat pockets. It's so oversized and cozy. And I just can't wait to wear this. So yeah, guys, that's everything that Romwe and Shein sent me. I'm super happy with all of it. Thank you so much to Romwe and Shein. Totally recommend the items. As I said before, I'm not sponsored. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!